Okay, so I will begin to record the 12th monthly quiz. Maybe until the 7th or 8th, you are really easy to solve it. But so actually, the most of them need to the helping my video, helping need to my watching my video. But for some very few students, I'm helping some back up my your the monthly quiz. I will record some videos. So until the 7th, I will little bit quickly to the service. So please just because refer to your backup procedure. So number one, just find the VW and W product B. But I'm already in previous our the mathematics classes. I already told you the in case of the matrix, the does not allow the some commutative properties. So actually, we can expect the V product W and W product V is not equal to each other. So V product W, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, product minus 1, 1, 2 product minus 2 equal to 1 and minus 2 equal to minus 5, and 1 and plus 4 equal to 5, and minus 2 equal to 2 equal to 0, and 2 minus 2 equal to 0, right? And W product V equal to minus 1, 1, 2 minus 2, product 1 minus 2, 2, 1 equal to minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1, and 2 plus 1 equal to 3, and 2 minus 2 equal to minus 2, and minus 4 equal to minus 2 equal to negative 6. And next, V plus W equal to 5 plus 5 comma 1, and minus V minus W equal to 1 comma 5. So find V and W, then we either add the two results. So 2V equal to 6 comma 6. So V equal to 3 comma 3. Well, sometimes you can also can write down the 3 comma 3. It also can allow it, and using the same procedure, W equal to subtract 2 results, then 4 and minus 4 equal to 2 minus 2. Or you can also write down the 2 comma minus 2. And number 3, draw the V minus W. So first of all, you subtract the both two matrix, and VW equal to 2 minus 3 and 0 and 3. So you should be using the column vectors, the two column vectors, and left column vectors and right column vectors. So you can draw the two vectors. Oh, sorry. Anyway, 2 comma 0 and negative 3. The horizontal line as a x-axis, the vertical line as a y-axis. Then 3 comma 3. Then you can draw the two vectors, 2 comma 0 and negative 3 comma 3. Okay. So add the two vector means just to draw some using some excuse me, diagonals. So maybe oh my, this is a final result. For example, add two vectors negative 1, 3, maybe this line negative 1, 3, and the v minus w can draw like this. Okay, next. For corner does the cube. So first hint, you should be draw the cube. Cube means the right square the prism. Right square prism. So right square prism or cube has 8 corners. So I'm already give you the 4 corners. So using the cube properties, and you can draw some cube like this. Sorry, the cubes last day the cube drunk too much. Sorry, little bit dizzy. Sorry again. Anyway, actually, I got also a terrible flu and a little bit dizzy also. Please understanding my really terrible pictures. Anyway, I already give you some pro corners and 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So first over, you should another four corners. So 1, 1, 0 and 0, 1 sorry 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, sorry 1, 1, 0. Okay, sorry again. And last thing is 1, 1, 1. So we already find the four corners, and find the coordinate the center of the cube. Center of the cube means middle of the space diagonal here. So the center of the cube equal to half, half, half. And last one is center of points of 6 spaces. It means here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So half, half, 0, half, half, 1. Sorry, 0, half, half, 1, half, half. And final things, half, 0, half, and half, 1, half. 5. Just a calculator. So answer is -2 and 2 and 8. Okay. 6. Actually, I don't know why I had to recording this video, but anyway, there's really funny things. Half of our class, half of students in our classes do not solve this question. I'm actually a little bit very disappointed at them. Anyway, it's really easy to using their two product and their left matrix using their row and right matrix using the column. So and 2 minus 2 plus 1 equal to negative 3, and 2, 1, 2 minus 3 equal to negative 1, and 2 plus 3 equal to 5, and minus 1 equal to minus 9 equal to minus 10. Really easy. Actually, I solved this question. To me, a little bit wasting my time. Anyway, please, if you're just preparing more than 1.5 hours of preparing your monthly quiz, actually, you couldn't be miss that problem. Actually, can't. Anyway, please just prepare only a couple of hours for prepare. Just spend your a couple of hours for preparing your the monthly quiz. Just a couple of hours. It's not to the some not too much for other better than other subject quiz. So just couple of hours, please. And seven actually is really some confused, easy to confuse. I know. So some of the to the missing by mistake. Yeah, I know. Anyway, seven. If I were you, I can also compute the some mathematic inverse mathematic properties. Okay. Anyway, A inverse equal to AD minus BC over 1. So DA, the diagonal changing their numbers, and other is changing the sign minus B minus C. Okay, so A inverse equal to 1 over 7, 3, 2, minus 1 plus 1. Okay, A. So identity matrix. You you do not write down like me. You should be right here. The identity matrix. There's no I am is not exist. Sorry. Okay, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Identity matrix. Okay, identity matrix. Suppose some matrix A and B are exist, then A product B equal to A, so the result is same as the previous matrix. Then B is identity matrix. And number two, inverse matrix is suppose A and B and C, and furthermore, let the B identity matrix for A, then A product C equal to B. I told you in these cases you should be add some conditions. That is, B, sorry, excuse me, B is identity matrix for A. Okay, in that cases, C is inverse matrix for A, but B is identity matrix. Okay. Next. 9. Okay. Right. Actually, in the very first time, I do not make this a problem for the improving your the calculator skills. No, never. Actually, more than the cube, the more than 3 times. You should be find another method. All the mathematics teachers do not just for the mathematic just for the calculating mathematic problem. Actually, most cases some just one and once and a, a couple of times is allowed it. But actually, think about that. There's no teachers want to do more than couple third or fourth and fifth times the same the procedure. That's really the wasting your times. So think about that. If I were you, if you are, um, why the teachers ask you the e to the first, e to the tenth? or the e to the 100. In that cases, the teacher wants you to find some relations between the sum that the calculator procedure. So in the cases also, just in case of this, you can use the inverse properties. But other cases, more than third times or the fourth time and fifth time, more than fourth time, then you should be find some relations. So e square equal to 1 0 6 1 1 0 6 1 equal to 1 0 and 6 times 2 and 1. Okay, e3 equal to 1 0 6 1 and 1 0 6 times 2 1. So you can find the e to the e cube equal to 1 0 6 times 3 1. So you can find some relation between the some degree of the some result of the product the matrices. So e to the n equal to 1 0 6 times n and 1. That is the result to the, so using the that result e to the fourth equal to 1 0 and 6 times 4 and 1, and e to the 10 equal to 1 0 6 times 10 1, and really easy. And finally the e inverse equal to product of diagonal 1, and other cases one of the zero existed that are the result should be zero. So so e to the e inverse equals to 1 0 1 and 1 and 0 and negative 6. Okay, next 10. So a equal to 1 2 0 1. So 0 1 1 0 and 0 0 0 0. So 1 0 0 1 and negative 2 and 1 and 1 and 0. Okay, so here is reduce epsilon form. So and just one non-zero are this column, and it also only one non-zero in the column. So this the first two column are pivot. Sorry, sorry again. Pivot and pivot and free and free. And case B equal to 1 2 3 and 1 negative 3 and negative 6 and 1 negative 6 and negative 12. So 1 2 3 divided by negative 3 equal 1 2 0 and 0 0 0, and 1 0 minus 1 1 0 2 and 0 0 0. Okay, okay, so the pivot and free. Okay, 11 is, so in case of A, a square matrix has no free value. No. In case of some A, let A equal to 1 2 3, just a previous equation, and 4 5 6 7 8 9 can be transformed the reduced epsilon form, then the 1 what's last result is 109, 109 and 0, 1, 2 and 1, 0, 0, 0. So the pivot and free. So some square matrix has a free value, so equal first. And invertible matrix have no, actually it should be invertible matrix have no free value. Yes, invertible means can be got some changing inverse matrix. It's an invertible. It's just looks like some linguistic meaning, invertible. And C is an n by n matrix, m by n matrix, m by n matrix. So no more than m pivot variables, because we should be the pivot. So in case of this 3 by 3 matrix, so there's no more 3 pivots are there. So it's here first and two. Just using this example also. Sorry. And here's 2 more than m. Okay. So first 2. Sorry. Sorry. First 2 and first 2. Okay. 12. So using the reduced epsilon form, a equal to 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and one more time 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, zeros. Too many zeros are there. Anyways, so the pivot and free and pivot and free. So x1 equal to 0, x3 so sorry, x2 sorry x2 equal to x so x1 equal to 0 x3 equal to 0, so x equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, c2 plus c4 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Pivot. Pivot is context solving linear equations with the row reduced epsilon form. So row reduction, also known as the Gaussian elimination method, refer to the reading coefficient to the row matrix. So pivot is when a column has only one non-zero element. So a column has only one non-zero element. It can be a pivot, but if the multiple column, multiple columns, multiple column, columns have non-zero element in the same row position, in the same row position, then leftmost column, C-O-L-U-M, column, sorry, sorry again, C-O-L-U-M-N, column is chosen as, sorry, not as the pivot, among them, okay, among them, okay. But most cases, most your answer, the pivot is write down as the roots of the element. No, it isn't. Pivot is just number of the roots of the matrices. Actually, not the roots. The pivot has some two types of rules. The first time is the particular rules, and second is null roots. So there's two types of the roots are also roots. So pivot is just only consider about some number of the some particular root. So you should not write down as pivot is the same equal to the roots. Not exactly. So if you will write down the pivot is equal to number of some roots, it can be a little bit allowed. Actually, it's not. It isn't. Never. I'm already told you the some result of the roots of the or the solution of the result. Matrices has some two types of the roots, particle roots and some null roots also. So pivot is only focus on the particle roots. So actually, it is really some very dangerous. Just the number of roots. It actually is not exactly, but roughly little bit allowed it. If you write down as a number of roots, little bit allowed it. But if you want more the precise answer, then you should be write down as shown your the screenshot. The column is only one zero element. That is pivot. But multiple columns are there, have a non-element in the same row position. But in that case, then the leftmost column is chosen as the pivot among them. That is the perfect answer for the what is the pivot is. Okay. And the two more questions. 4. Let the matrix A, or blah blah blah. So using the reduce epsilon from the 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, and 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 0, 0, 0, 0, and one more time, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so it is a really wonderful example for the previous problem, number 13. So the third and the first and the fifth columns has the only one non-zero element, even though the leftmost column, that is in this case, third column, there's only a third column got favored, because the third column and the fourth column and the fifth column have the same row positions. So the leftmost column, in cases, third column are pivot in this problem. Okay, so draw line and pivot and free and pivot and free and free. Okay, so x1 plus 2x2 equal to 0, and x3 plus 2x4 plus 3x5 equal to 0. So x is in case of 2 and 4 and 5 are 0 and 0, 4 and 5 and 0. So okay, you don't need to, sorry. So x2, c2 equal to 1 and minus 2 and other x4 and x5 0 and x3 equals also 0. c3 sorry, c4, sorry, c4 and 2 0 and 1 and 0 and here's also 0 and c negative 2 and my last c5, then 0 and 0 and 1 and here's also 0 and it's negative 3. Okay. Final. Excuse me. So using the same procedure, reduce epsilon form and 1, 2, 3, 2 and 2 and 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2 and negative 1 and 0, negative 1 and negative 1, negative 2 and 1. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2 and 0, 0, 0, 0 and 2 minus 1 and 0 and 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 2 and 0, 1, 1, 2 and 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so don't need to normal procedure. Leftmost pivot is column is the pivot, so pivot and free and free. Okay, so first x1 plus 3x1. Sorry, I switched. Sorry, x3 minus 2x4 equal to 2. Sorry, I missed one column. So here's minus 2 2d plus 4 and minus 1 and 0, sorry, equal to 4, sorry. And x2 plus x3 plus 2x4 equal to negative 1. So x equal to x3 0 and x4 equal 4 and x3 x4 equals 0 and negative 1. Okay. So null space equal x1 plus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0. Okay. And x2 plus x3 plus 2x4 equal to 0. So c3 and negative 1, 1, 0, and negative 1. Okay. c4 and 0 and 1. So here's 2 and minus 2. Okay. That is the complete solution. Okay. Anyone? Anyway, I got some wonderful weekend. Actually, it's her like very weird. I got some homework, and I say to you, have a nice weekend. There's really funny things. Anyway, uh, after your son and your backup, after then you can enjoy your the weekend. Anyway, be careful. Your some catch a cold, and have a nice weekend. See you.